again. I'm going to make another painting. I just finished my first attempt with my strainer using Molly Artistry's Kaleidoscope pour technique, and it looks great. So I'm going to make another one using the same paints, but this time for my base I'm going to use 50% Deco Art Americana Satin Enamels with 50% just normal acrylic paint and a little bit of distilled water so that it's quite a thick base. This is my canvas, and I'm just going to spray the back to make sure it's nice and tight. I have leveled my stand so my canvas should be level, and this is very exciting. I got great sales last time, so let's see if I can do it again. The paints are the same as in my last video. I'll leave a link to that if you'd like to find out what paints I'm using and what my pouring medium is and everything. So this is the satin enamels and acrylic mix with a little bit of distilled water. I tend not to use this paint in big quantities because I can't get it domestically. I have to order it internationally. Have you tried using these paints? Or have you tried Molly Artistry's technique? Let me know down below, especially if you've got a video. I'd love to see it. And if you're on Instagram, leave your name down below and I'll follow you on Instagram. If you have an acrylic pouring channel or a crafts channel on YouTube, I will subscribe to you. And yeah, let's learn about all of these exciting effects together. Okay, let's see what happens with this painting. So here's my strainer. I'm just finishing off the base. Okay, I'm ready. So you can see this has still got paint from the last pour on it. It's got some Prussian blue on the bottom. I'm not bothered about that. I'll just pop that down in the middle. Prussian blue, teal. And I've got my favourite combination, which is Dioxazine Purple and a pearl blue iridescent paint. I've got another satin paint. So let's see how that comes out. I want that in the middle because it all floated off the edge of the last picture. Let's put a tiny bit of white in, not too much because it looks at the bottom. A little more Prussian blue. Use that up. A tiny bit of the Pthalocyanine Green. A tiny bit more coral because I've got lots of it. Okay, let's put the last bits of coral in here. And just to finish off, I always use lots of metallics because I love them. So we're going to put some gold over the top. I'll give that a minute to settle and then I will pull up the strainer and let the drips go through. I can already see the satin enamels reacting with the gold. The teal doesn't look like it's reacting the way that the white is. The black satin enamels does not react the same way as the white does either. It tends to sink down and create cracks. This is really interesting, the way that the gold is sinking through here. Anyway, let's see what we've got. Just to pop some bubbles, like that big one in the middle. Lots and lots of bubbles again. Maybe not quite as bad as last time, we'll have to see. Okay. an interesting effect. I wonder if this is in focus. Here, the layers are cracking over each other. They've got this kind of shattered glass effect. To thin it out more to see the cloudy effect. Sorry, my phone died, so I had to switch over. Absolutely love this. It's got this kind of fractured glass or fractured ice effect here. It's got lots of gradation and lots of points of interest. It's very, very different from anything else I've made, but I really like it. Thanks so much again, Molly. I will take you in for a close-up now. It's really difficult to get good shots at night time, so sorry for the shaky handheld shots, but I hope you can see that there are some lovely cells, this granular effect at the edge where the satin enamels is overtaking the colour that was poured on top of it. And when I talked about the shattered glass or the melting ice effect, that is here. I think that is the pearl blue and the dioxazine purple that has done that. That's really beautiful. Metallics are going to really start to come through once it's dried. I'll be interested to see what this gloss does. So I'm just going to show you some close-ups now that this painting has dried. You can see the pearl blue paint and the dioxazine purple make this amazing kind of peacock blue that glints. I absolutely love that combination, it's my favourite. You can see the pearl blue paint and the dioxazine purple make this amazing kind of peacock blue that glints, which I really, really love. And the gold is also very vibrant. There are some bubbles and there is some slight texture on the surface of this painting, but not enough to be visible unless you look at it close up from a side angle. Thanks again so much for watching. I really hope that you're enjoying my videos. I can't wait to see what I come up with next. I'd love to see what you're doing, so please post a comment down below and let's start a conversation. Thanks again. Bye.